how would you explain your solution to a non-technical CEO who has no background in technology, only knows numbers, right, figures, and is interested in either profits or revenue?
So it's very simple. Without going too much in the technology, there is one clear aspect. The neural network is like a brain of a person, so it keeps on learning. So the moment you install these platforms inside the production environment, you will get machines that keeps on learning what's happening in the production line. This creates an effect that is very important. The detectability keeps on growing, the false course rate keeps on decreasing. The result is the fact that you get more performance of the line, so less cost and a better profit. So for a CEO who is not acquainted to the technology but just to numbers, these systems can create a much better EBITDA at the end of the day, because the result of the line will be high performance, so a higher performance compared to what was happening before, with a lower cost of management. Of course, the moment we get the predictivity of going, the CEO who doesn't have knowledge of technology will get huge benefits. There we are talking about tons of money, okay, because that will be the difference.
Okay. And how would you now explain the same to the CTO or the head of production who understands technology? Like,
So,
your pitch to them.
This is a different game. Let's say that we would start explaining the technology itself. It's clear that there are several important tasks that an AI should perform, but it's also clear that these tasks should be performed in the best way possible. So, in the market, what is needed for a technology guy who is managing the technology in the company is, first, a very fast programming time of the machines. Second, you need a very scalable, upgradable solution. Third, you need a solution that is capable to give a good result on whatever is available on a board. Fourth, you need a system that can communicate throughout the world. So basically, an AI native system like Delvitech can perform all of these requirements. How it does this? Basically, the word says we have a neural network on board. This neural network, first of all, can reside in the machine, or can reside on a server, or can be on a cloud. So basically, here you immediately create a big communication help. If we get a customer in India who has 3, 4, 5 manufacturing plants in India, you can share the knowledge of your neural network with all the plants. And on top of this, if you get a customer in India with multiple manufacturing plants that is working with other plants that are in other parts of the world, in Switzerland, in Germany, in the US, all of the information can be shared. So the big advantage is that with a neural network, communication becomes very easy. With a neural network and with AI, it becomes very easy to create a program. What we are announcing to the market in the very next weeks will be a self-programming tool that will be capable to generate the program automatically. And
sorry, please go ahead.
Yes, and this self-programming tool is a tool very important for the technology guy. Another aspect for the technology guy is that the predictivity tool. The moment you generate a program like that, and the moment you get all the information from AI in the neural network, you will be capable to train and to maintain the process of your line in real time. Giving this real time, the technology guy for sure will be very happy because he can manage production in real time, understanding what's going on, not at the end of the line, but during the line. Be capable to get in the line and set up something different because there is a process deviation, for example, that in the next 10 bots could generate an error. So I stop this generation of error before the errors start. So it's a fantastic solution for a technology guy.
Thank you, Mr. Gatti, for being there on this interview. Thanks for taking your time. Right, it's been a pleasure to speak to you. Right.
Thank you, and once more, it's a pleasure for me to have this company in India. It's a pleasure for me to be closer to the Indian customers. We will continue to enlarge our facilities here in India and to enlarge our operations because we have a lot of things, a lot of new things coming. We are enlarging the market and we want to be successful together with India. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And if you have any questions, feedbacks or comments about this interview, please post it and we'll share it with the Delvitech team and have them reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you.